Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an Emini Trading Room recap for Wednesday the 7th of May. And today was an interesting day in the markets. We had a little gap up here, some sideways action, a move lower, and then a move higher for the remainder of the morning session. Definitely an interesting day all in all. Today we had 3 trades. We were 2 for 1. And actually gave back a 1.5 today. In hindsight, everything's 2020. Giving back a 1.5 is much better than giving back 10 points and a half. So we at least keep it small. When you do have to have an unsuccessful trade, try to keep it as small as possible. Basically what happened is we got long over here, and we took profit going into that. And then price just rolled over and seemed to die. As it came back up, we did get short, and eventually we ended up getting stopped out of that pretty quickly. Actually, we got short down here, we got stopped out up here, so got out of that one. Market did chop around a little bit, and we were looking for a long. Down here we did get long. We were able to take profits in this area here. We were wanting to get long. Looking lower than this, the market stopped right at 1860 and then started moving higher. I tried to get long over here, and the market didn't come down to our area. It just kept going up, and sometimes that happens. So we made 3 trades. We had 2 trades that we missed. And it is what it is. It's a day that you can definitely learn from a little bit. And a lot of new traders that I see, they might have an unsuccessful day. Maybe it's 1.5 points, maybe it's 10 points, maybe it's 8 points. Everybody's different. Everyone has a different risk tolerance. For me, I don't really have a big risk tolerance, so I would rather have smaller unsuccessful trades. Everybody's different. Everybody has a different account balance. Everyone has a different view on risk, and that's why there's so many different ways to actually trade. But today's one of those days when you look at the day, you don't say, well, look, the market moved here, I lost 1.5 points, that sucks, and then you start getting that negative mentality. Rather than looking at it like that, you look at it, we were down 1.5 points. Could it have been worse? Oh, it definitely could have been worse. Could it have been better? Of course it could have been better. So, that puts you in that in-between area. It could be worse, it could be better. And looking at it with that perspective kind of gives you that ability to look at it a little bit more objectively and look at it as a learning process rather than something to get negative and to revenge trade tomorrow on. So hopefully that makes some sense, and you can always leave comments below the video. I think today's an important topic, so I encourage you to leave comments below the video. You can email me directly, support@businesswithtrading.com. No such thing as a dumb question. There's only questions that you can learn from. And maybe one person, we'll call him Jake. Maybe Jake he doesn't know about something, but Mark does know about something. Does that mean that Mark is smarter than Jake? Because Jake doesn't know about it. It's not that he knows about it and avoids it. He just doesn't know. So it really doesn't mean that anyone's smarter than the other person. It just means one person doesn't know about something. So he's probably going to ask a question that Mark already knows, and that's fine. We all come from different learning curves. We all have knowledge that we know and knowledge that we don't know. And the knowledge that we don't know, that's why we're all here, is to learn. So anyway, you can leave comments below if you want. Hopefully you got something out of my rant today. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.